Okay, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about variables. So, what are the variables? In any programming language, variables, in any programming language, variables are considered as a container and the items are stored in that container. So, uh, in our household, we keep containers and we used to label them. So whatever the name you will assign to that variable, that name is associated with this container, and the item which is going to be stored inside this variable is the given associated value. Okay, so what will be the syntax of the variables? The syntax would be variable name then value. Now, how this variable or the container is going to initialized during the execution of the program. See, there is a very large pool of memory present inside your computer, which is known as the memory pool. Okay, and whenever the variable is initialized, space got reserved for that variable, and whatever the name you will give to that variable will be associated to this reserved space, and the value will get inside this container. Okay, now what is variable? Variable is nothing but the assigned name assigned to the given memory allocation. Okay, and the second point, which is uh, variable can store some values which can be altered during program. Okay, now how this value which is going to get stored, and when this stored value will get altered in the program, we'll discuss through a code. Now here's my code: a equal to 10. Now for printing this variable, I will say value of a is, and outside the double inverted comma I will give the name of the variable. Now why? Because inside the double inverted comma it will print all of the series of the characters, not recognizing whether it is a variable or it is a set of character or a character. Okay, so when I am going to access the content inside the variable, I will always print it outside the double inverted commas. Okay, now a equal to, let's say, Vardhan, and again control C, control V. So what will be the output? Value of a is 10, and when the update updation or the value got altered, again I am printing the A only. The value of A is Vardhan. Okay. Now let us talk about the note is we always print variable outside double inverted commas. Okay. Now, one more uh, topic which I'm gonna cover is F string. What are these F string? And from now we'll use F strings only to print variables. Okay. So what are the F strings? F strings are nothing but we use print statement and we use F inside the parenthesis of this print statement, and we'll use whatever we want to print, and in curly braces I will give the name of the variable, where name, and then again. So wherever this curly braces, instead of printing this curly braces, it will print the value of this variable. Okay, let me show you with the program. I will create one new f string dot py. Okay, now I will name equals Modi, age equals 25, and occupation is beautician. Okay, now to access this print f string, I will use f, then double inverted comma, name is name, age is age, and occupation is occupation. Okay, now for this code, what it will gonna print? Name is whatever the value inside this variable. So the name is Modi, age is 25, and the occupation is politician. Name is Modi, age is 25, and occupation is politician. Okay, so that's it for the today's lecture. We'll discuss on the next class. We'll discuss about data types.